Top 3 Incredible Facts About the Amazon Rainforest. Fact number 1. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. That's right, this sprawling forest serves as the lungs of our planet. Fact number 2. It's home to millions of species. The Amazon rainforest is teeming with life, harboring an estimated 10% of the world's known species. Fact number 3. In the Amazon, there are lots of plants used for medicine by native people. About 25% of our medicines come from these rainforest plants.